When discussing sneaker grails, the Air Jordan 11 is one of the first that instantly comes to mind. The shoe changed the way we look at design forever. The crisp patent leather and translucent sole showcased a balance of elegance, style, and performance. Michael Jordan first unveiled them on May 7, 1995 during Game 1 of the Eastern Conference semifinals after a 17-month retirement from the NBA. Jordan brought out the 11 Concord with the number 45 on each heel during the Chicago Bulls series against Orlando Magic. MJ laced up in the 11s in one of the best years of his life. The 1996 NBA season was the peak of Jordan's celebrity. Here are a few accolades that ring off: MVP, All-Star MVP, Finals MVP, 4th championship, a then record 72 regular season wins, a blockbuster hit with Space Jam, and the release of the Jordan 11. Jordan was perhaps the most famous person on earth, so let's take a look at some of the best colorways. Air Jordan 11 Columbia. The 1996 All-Star Game is peak nostalgia and perhaps the greatest roundup of sneakers worn in the same court. Nike had a whole list of classics. Jason Kidd wore the Zoom Flight, Mitch Richmond wore the Air Max Uptempo, Penny Hardaway wore the Air Penny, and Charles Barkley rocked his Nike Air Max CB34. Shaq brought out the Reebok Shaqnosis, while Grant Hill wore his Fila GH2 signature sneaker. It is also worth noting that Karl Malone, Hakeem Olajuwon, and Glenn Rice all wore some of the most random sneakers in NBA history that night, with Malone in LA Gear, Olajuwon in Splating Kicks, and Rice in sneakers made by Warner Bros. But the highlight of the night was worn by MJ, with the white Columbia Blue Air Jordan 11 colorway. The clean white patented leather silhouette meshed well with the over-the-top All-Star jerseys. Air Jordan 11 Bread. Black and red is obviously synonymous with the history of the Air Jordan line. While Jordan made bold statements with the Concord and Columbia colorways, he went back to his roots with the Air Jordan 11 Bread during the 1995 and 96 NBA playoffs. The Bulls defeated the Sonics 4-2 in the NBA Finals, and it was Jordan's first championship since his retirement. The final game was also played on Father's Day, which was MJ's first title after his father was murdered in 1993. The Bread could easily be the best colorway on any other sneaker ranking. Air Jordan 11 Space Jam. Space Jam probably is not one of the greatest movies ever, but it's definitely a cult classic, and it came during a time when no star shined brighter than MJ. After leading the Bulls to their 4th NBA title, Space Jam released on November 15, 1996. Jordan's marketability stretched beyond any athlete, and he became a pop culture figure. The Air Jordan 11 Space Jam is considered one of the greatest Jordans of all time due to its black, dark Concord, white colorway, which MJ wore during the movie in the game against the Monstars. Air Jordan 11 Concord. In terms of aesthetics, there is probably not a better sneaker from a visual aspect. The sneaker is flawless and versatile enough to wear in any occasion. Prom, wedding, or on the court, it doesn't matter. The black-white colorway went against the wishes of Tinker Hatfield in the NBA, but when has a colorway and a find ever stopped Jordan from wearing what he wants on the court? The Concord is a must-have grail for the ultimate sneaker collector. The shoe will return December 8, 2018, featuring the original patent leather cut, Nike Air details on the insole, the OG box it came in, and of course, the number 45 on the heel. That's gonna do it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like on the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of our videos in the future. Also, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because I'm just so sure that you'll love them. Be sure to comment down below any other colorways that belong on this list that you think we might have missed. Thanks for watching again. I'll catch you guys later. Goodbye.